Well, today's special food, we have eel soup and stir-fried eels. It's a type of fish from the lake and comes along with vegetables, lettuce, morning glory, and chili. And this is garlic and red chili, and also holy basils. Wow, look at the eel. Wow, they're really big. Wow, 3 eels, 3 eels, almost 1 kilo. Look at this. Eels from the freshwater lake, Las Anguilas del Lago. Okay. This is how we. Okay, this is we add some ingredients into the frying pan, and yeah, garlic with soup. Alright, now we put the eels in the frying pan. Look at that. Wow. Yummy, yummy, eh? Wow, it smells really good. That makes me hungry. Some sugar. And a little bit of seasoning. A little bit. Okay. Wow, looks delicious. Eh? It smells real. Coconut milk. Add with the coconut milk. This is a coconut milk. Coconut milk. Looks nice. Okay, we add some holy basil in it to make it more tasty. Holy basil, nice plant, and with peanuts. See, peanuts, holy basils on top of it to make it very tasty. Wow, it's already done. Look at this. Wow, it's amazing. Eh? But they use eels for the aperitif. Most of Cambodian people use them as the aperitif, served with cold beer. Well, it's already done. See, with chili, red chili on top. Wow, look delicious, huh? All right, now it's time for eating stir-fried eel. Please enjoy. Okay. Welcome everyone to my channel, The Big Food KH. So now we're showing you a small family now. They're eating eel, stir-fried eels. The eels from the freshwater lake in Cambodia, the city of Siem Reap. Okay. Alright. Enjoy your meal.
Buồn hả? Tôi nhắm tôi à?
Yummy, yummy, eh? Bienvenidos a mi canal, The Big Food KH. Hoy tenemos una comida que se llama anguilas fritas con los ingredientes y chili. para hacerlo picante, pero los camboyanos no comen mucho picante. No comen mucho picante. Y siempre se come con arroz al vapor. Parece muy rico, ¿no? Parece muy rico.
Này nữa. Đây mua chồng.
Yummy, yeah? Delicious food. Right, they use spoon. Sometimes they use their both hands to eat rice. Look delicious, huh?
Này là có.
Se parece muy rico, ¿no? A mí me ha gustado mucho las anguilas fritas. Mira, con el chili para hacerlo picante. Es bastante rico, ¿no? Tienen que probarlo los amigos que ver este video. Tienen que probarlo. Anguilas fritas de Camboya está bastante rico. Okay, all my friends in Europe, you see this video, you may try stir-fried eels with chili and jasmine rice. That's really good one. But most Cambodian, they use eel as the aperitif. Serve with beer, cold beer. A los camboyanos se usa mucho la carne de anguilas para hacer aperitivos. Los aperitivos siempre que se sirve con la cerveza. La cerveza fría está bastante rica. Mira, mira, está picante, bastante picante. Una muchacha, míralo, una muchacha que está comiendo chili, entonces está picante. Ay, míralo. Picante, picante. Picante, picante. Gracias por mirar este video. Dios les bendiga. Muy buena suerte. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day with family. Enjoy your meal.